Alright. Let me weigh in past some little thing where I go on. Some man will call and beg me for some things, right? And you know me I say big man thing, I give them. Know why? Because I feel say them deserve it. But me I pay a problem with it. Alright. Me I go bad now. Me about to go off. Dirty stinking junker boy. All flush. Let me tell you something. Me soon down a yard and wanna bleach up on the skin. Nothing wrong with this still, you know. Fool no skin do what I want to do with it. All workless. What kind of girl on I run competition with? This nigga ask me for some things. Me think I sell him, I go sell the things them, you know. The man ask me for some tight pants, stretch pants, and tights. He said most of all, he need some selfie stick. True, me never get the time to do a lot of things. I send him 6 stick. All dirty boy who no down a yard no give the woman them a break. The boy them take the selfie stick and show up for 6 man. Pay cute boy. Brother when I come off of that selfie stick something there. The girl them a make duck mouth. Them boy ya make fish mouth. And cute stand up. And cute brace. And lap foot. And when real man a do them something there. And some of them, you know, gone all a studio dog and do it, you know. And I send picture to girl a foreign, you know. And you see the big old selfie stick and the fish mouth where I make, you know. Youth, girl make duck mouth. How you come in with the fish mouth thing? You just come in and feel all that weird. You know, bleach out and then the next thing you look a nasty thing I don't know. When him pick me that Jamaica, you know. The youth no call it pick me, you know. But guess what? All gutter. All of a sudden, no. They find card and I call pick me a foreign, you know. And I ask if mother have IMO, you know. Because they want to watch people back going for bigger, you know. Me disgust on you know, youth. When I run a girl them thing bad. You notice more time as some youth are talk now. They might make some girl mockery. With all them Twitter finger. Every minute them a text like them now ease up a beg. Brethren, me a beg on a youth. When I not beg me things, don't beg me for no selfie stick dog. And no tight pants. You see the man who want to see that tight pants and admire man, you know, no most of the admire man for say pants them look nice and when he drop on the underpants, you know, you look cute to you, that's why you go do it. Be honest, you know, no selfie stick, fish mouth boy. Stop begging me selfie stick. Workless, good for nothing. Me no know where I go, you know. But me glad me go past phone to see it long time, you know. All gutter. All selfie stick. Filthiness. Workless. No one I go, no damn selfie stick good for nothing, boy. No beg me nothing more. I that me I tell you now.